Hello and welcome to Fitzgerald's bird watching, everyone. Beautiful birds to watch today. We're looking for the northern goldfinch at this moment. There's one right there on that bird feeder. If we really want to get a good sharp look at him, we use our binoculars. Now we got him. Welcome back to Busty's Bird Hunting. Today we're hunting for the American goldfinch. We got our gun here and we're going to get him. Oh lordy, look at this. Another dang hunter messing up our bird watching. Oh no. Is that a bird watcher? It is. He's gonna tell on me to the feds. Act like a bird, everyone. Hey, you over there. What are you doing? Are you hunting these beautiful birds? Of course not. I would never hunt these birds. You better not be. You see that one right there? That's a goldfinch. It resembles abundance and prosperity. Do you want to ruin that? Oh, really? That's just wonderful. I bet they taste amazing. What did you just say? Well, I said they're really pretty. Don't know what you heard, but that's what I said. Okay, good. If you had said they looked tasty, you might have had to have been escorted from Fitzgerald's bird watching. No. I would never. What's that? Look where? What? Did you just shoot one of them? No, of course I didn't shoot one. It's not what it looks like. That's just my pet. Sure it was. Get out of here. We don't need you killing the birds. I need to make a business here, and these are just animals trying to live. Come on, sir. I'm just getting my food. There's no need to fight. You killed a bird that means prosperity. You will no longer prosper. Get out of here. I'll leave. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry. I'll leave. Gotta get my pet. I'll leave, sir. Now let's get back to watching birds, folks.